si Chai, ang sinasabi si Mona.
Baby.
Sila yata pinaka-closest na twin.
Maganda yung relationship.
Actually, yun yung maganda sa amin kasi we complement each other. Kunyari may mga...
Hindi na you have different personalities, di ba?
Para kaming night and day talaga. Pero, you know, we argue, we fight, but at the end of the day, we're thankful na meron kaming isa't isa talaga to help us keep each other grounded. And
Hello.
makapag-accept ng bagong proyekto or makapag-move forward sa isang aspeto ng aming buhay without each other's approval or advice.
Ay, nako. I think it's about time.
Clear kaya kung video dot.
Keeping people waiting.
Yes.
Ano ba talaga, Mon? Ang sikreto. Ano
Baby
sa'yo?
Rafa.
Kaya,
Uy, nilok.
Thankful sa lahat ng tao.
Nilok yun.
Okay, mahilap mo pa sa din. Dali. Ano kayo pa?
It wasn't an easy journey. I already started working out. And then, si Dr. Vicky Bello, pinicture namin sa Esquire. Tapos, doon niya sinabi sa akin na, I want to work out. Because she told me, I believe in you, you look very good, but kulang ka. Will you allow me to help you? Sabi ko, of course. This is the #1 doctor in the country, the market leader. So sabi ko, why not? So from then, nagsimula na yung partnership ko with the Bello Medical Group and of course, Sexy Solutions. Itong Sexy Solutions, marami katanong, ano palay ko?
Nilok.
Ginawa mo? Hindi po, this is a non-invasive thing. So may mga machines sila na it's like a heated effect on the skin. And ako, ang gina-target ko talaga was my midsection kasi that's the hardest to lose weight. So yun talaga yung